Are you still buying pricey, bland bone broth from the store for your dog? With just a few chicken bones, maybe costing less than $1, you can whip up a richer, more nutritious chicken bone broth jello. Not only can you control the quality of the ingredients, but you can also skip all those chemical additives, preservatives, or flavorings. And here's something special: soup with chicken marrow? That's something you just can't find in stores. Chicken marrow is a nutritional gold mine for your pet. It's crammed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, ideal for a glossy coat and reducing inflammation for a hearty immune system. And it's stuffed with vitamins A, D, E, and C, alongside essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. These goodies support muscle, bone, dental, and immune health. Also, amino acids and collagen are in there too, great for joint well-being. And the iron helps prevent anemia and keeps the immune system in top shape. It's essentially a superfood for pets of any age. What you're seeing now is skinless chicken leg meat I cooked in an instant pot, no seasonings added. After carefully removing the meat from the legs, I saved the bones for the next step. Making chicken bone broth jello is super easy, so no more chit-chat. Let's get to it. Now, take those demeated chicken bones and pop them into your Instant Pot. Next, fill the pot with enough water to cover the bones. And don't forget to add a spoonful of white vinegar. A little vinegar helps pull the nutrients out of the bones. After slow cooking, the chicken bone broth becomes wonderfully fragrant and rich in collagen. By this time, the bones have also turned soft. All the nutrients are concentrated into this one pot of broth. Next, grab a blender and blend the broth until smooth, ensuring all the nutritious substances are fully released into the soup. Straining is the final step, especially important for small dogs or those with sensitive stomachs. Sieving removes any coarse bone fragments, making the chicken bone broth jello smoother and easier to digest. After straining, chill it in the fridge, and your chicken bone broth jello is ready. If you have molds, you can shape the jello into fun forms or portion it out and freeze for later use. Subscribe to me for more updates.